Hey guys, it's me Ram here, and in today's video I have an unboxing of the Qiyi magnetic clock. So before we begin, I'd like to apologize if you guys do hear some construction work. There is some construction going on near my house, so yeah, please bear with that. So let's just get right into the unboxing. So in the box we've got this clock which is packaged very nicely, and along with that we've got a blue cube Lelo bag. So let's just get right on to unboxing this. Okay, I just completely ruined the box with that pen mark. Whatever, no one really cares. Alright, and here we are. The box looks really nice, but the only thing I'm interested in right now is the clock. And here we are. Here is the clock and a nice little stand which I am not interested in right now. Let's just go ahead and do some first turns with the pins. They are incredibly light, like I just touch them and it just goes down. I really like the contrast between white and black and white. So pins feel great. They're a little bit light for my liking, but I can deal with that. Anyways, let's just go ahead and do some first turns. Okay, this feels incredibly smooth. I'm currently a little bit out of practice with clock, but hopefully this will inspire me to practice some more clock. This feels amazing. Let's just go ahead and do a solve. I'm like not in practice for clock, so I've kind of forgotten how to scramble as well, but yeah, just deal with me, I guess. I'm not even that fast. Alright, here we go. Feel free to critique me in the comments below. Anyways, let's just begin this. Yep, here we are. It feels amazing. I thought I would be overshooting on it a lot, but I don't feel any overshooting because of the 204 magnets that are inside. Overall, this puzzle feels absolutely amazing and I really like it. So for my first impressions, I'd give this puzzle a 10 out of 10. So that's about it for my unboxing on the Qiyi magnetic clock. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and bye.